Are your Windows apps broken by the Ffmpeg library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. This DLL file is a comprehensive multimedia framework library used to decode, encode, and transcode audio and video files. It is the core engine behind many media players, video editors, and streaming applications on the Windows platform. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file specifically within the parent media software environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of parent media software to allow the installer to restore the Ffmpeg library DLL automatically. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Ffmpeg library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. A quick safety warning: never download files like the Ffmpeg library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Gain the professional clarity and system stability you deserve. Click the link in the description for the primary diagnostic tool to manage the Ffmpeg library environment. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure parent media software remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.